Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I am here at Alcona Community High School in Harrisville, Michigan, home of the Tigers. I'm in the auditorium right here. This is my first time getting to come to their school and share my heart. And it was just a beautiful day all across the board. We had two programs for grades 3 to 5 and grades 6 to 8, and that focused on bullying. The sub-theme was to look at the heart first. And then we also had one for the high school age range, grades 9 through 12, and that was positivity, be your best self. And the slide you see, one of the picture slides from the presentations, is where we're always trying to focus on our heart, to heal our heart, to be kind to our hearts, and not just to ourselves, but to others as well. For the bullying side, we know that our heart's as big as our fist. And if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, where one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action. What we say or do can either uplift someone, stay on their heart in a positive way forever, or conversely can cut them so deep that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life, right? So we have this choice to be able to see everyone around us like we see our best friend, for this before anything else. And to also see them for this too. And ourselves first and foremost. The fact that we are all true miracles, right? Like the front of my shirt says that I wear for the bullying assembly. And something I bring up at every assembly as well, because it's so important to me. But all of us with the lines on our hand had the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. And this M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, once we buy into that, we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart. And it's so important we do that because there's been so many people, in my life particularly, some of the students, adults as well, that sometimes have never been told this, or they don't believe it, or they need a reminder, right? And for us to go out into this world and try to make it a better place by showing acts of kindness, by doing positive actions, not just here at school, but in our community, in our homes, it's how we start to change this world and make it a better place. And so through the inspirational videos that I played, the positive hip hop, the photos that reinforce a lot of the heartfelt messages, the physical visual aid props, there were definitely a lot of pin drop moments throughout the 3 sessions that we had here today. And so I know that something really struck some heart chords in the students, even some of the teachers too. And look, I always say if something does touch your heart, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. And we're thinking about the high school, the focus that I had for them. It was all about having a positive attitude everywhere in your life with everyone in your life. And tying into the heart piece as well is that, yes, we have to be kind to our mind. Whatever we tell our brain and our heart it's going to believe, we don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive, right? And the whole idea too is that no matter what we go through, are currently going through, have gone through, will go through, that we always have a choice to keep our head up, right? To keep thinking positive each and every day. Yes, sometimes pain's gonna happen, bullying's gonna happen. We always know that the big reason that happens is because hurt people. We can always choose to become healed people who heal people, right? And we know that the opposite of success is not failure, it's giving up or not trying. And whether that's academically, right, in the classroom, or how we approach, how we're treating others around us. Yeah, sometimes we fall short, right? Sometimes we, don't get 100%. Sometimes we don't say the nicest thing, but we know that we always have a chance to keep on improving, right? That these are opportunities in our lives that can make us stronger. And we look for those every day and every moment. We look to encourage others. We look to give our best effort, knowing that true excellence isn't about being the best, it's just doing your best, right? And we just try to support one another, right? That's why we're here, is to know that we don't have to go this alone, that we have people that care about us, not just here in this school community, but in our life in general. And we can also be that person that really tries to shine our light towards someone else, right? And be there to help them and assist them and, work through whatever they're going through, just being those ultimate friends that this world desperately needs. So again, just another amazing day, getting to come here and share my heart. You all definitely touched a piece of my heart. And I hope you have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.